in today's video, we'll be doing another DIY thingy. And it's another episode of Thrift. So, parang ito yung upcycling ng clothes. So, binigyan ako ng aking best friend ng dress, which is this. And naisipan ko siyang gawing ganito. So, if you want to know kung paano ko siya ginawa, just keep on watching.
First, nag-sketch muna ako ng before and after look na gusto ko for the dress. The skirt is yung may 2 slits ng kaunti. Then, for the top is halter top. And for the back view is planned as my back ribbon. Kaso, next time ko na lang siguro gagawin for my upcoming thrift videos. Starting off with the top, I measure 41 cm for the bottom hem and 43 cm naman yung length. Then, iminark ko yung sa may armhole na gusto kong gubitin. Medyo curve yung style na nagawa ko dito. Fold the fabric in half and then cut the trace pattern. So, after that, sinukat ko siya and then meron dito sa may bust part or yung dart, I need to stitch para ma-fit yung armhole. Next, pin the hem sa armhole and then doon sa may bottom hem. And then proceed tayo sa stitching. Okay, for the skirt naman, I grab my pencil cut skirt para maging pattern. And then, naglagay nga ako ng 2 slits para naman may style. Okay, so proceed na ulit tayo sa stitching. So, we have to stitch the hem for the waist area and both sides of the skirt. Alright, again, the before look. And ta-da! Shout out again to my Bish, Elcie. Thank you for this dress. next time ulit.
Okay, and that's it for today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and kindly comment down below kung ano pa mga gusto nyong makita sa aking mga susunod na videos. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!